Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can upgrade your Google Chrome on your laptop. Now then, for that, first of all, open your Google Chrome web browser on your PC or in your laptop. Tap open. Then you need to tap on the three dotted lines on the very right corner of your Google Chrome. Tap on it. Then you will see this option below. From this option, go to the help section on the second. There you will see the three other options inside it. Inside there, tap on about Google Chrome. You will be directed to this page where you will be provided the information of your Google update. Here you can see the Google update. Google Chrome is up to date. That means the Google Chrome that I have been currently using is updated to its latest version. If it's not updated, you will get an option of update in here. Once you click on update, your Google Chrome will get updated to the latest version available. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.